Well, this seemed like an appropriate time to update. But then Ben got out of his chair. Go sit back down. You were being cute.
Go sit in your chair then, Ben.
Just finished fixing the truck with our little helper Ben. Now I'm eating some ice cream and shiz.
It's melting.
I warmed up this muffin. Good thing I only did half of it, so I can throw this half away now. Yep. Hey, get your tamale out of there. Yeah.
It's fine. I already cooked one. Whoa. That's why you...
Yeah.
roasted it.
Anyways, I don't know how much time we have on here, but here we
Ben is
are.
the cutest.
Ben's cute. Alyssa's average. I'm cuter.
Excuse me, take that back.
Okay,
immediately.
Alyssa's the cutest. Ben's the second. I'm the first one.
You're cute.
Well, see you later.